Jai Sri Krishna. So first of all, let me wish you all a happy new year. 2022 is here, and let's hope most of our problems are over. And yet we survived the last 2 years. So I was very lucky to listen to some kathas. Kathas are speeches by learned scholars. And as I told you, I do collect some of these lovely things that I kind of feel that are very inspiring. So, but sometimes I don't remember which Kathakar has told me what. And also, as I've said before, I sometimes don't even like to quote them because I believe that I may have misunderstood what they were actually trying to say. So, in one of the kathas that I heard, they were quoting Socrates. And it seems Socrates has said, इस दुनिया में मुझे कोई नहीं हरा सकता है क्योंकि मैं जीतना नहीं चाहता. He says nobody can defeat me because I don't really want to win. And I have also heard that sometimes it is better to let an argument be and say that we agree to disagree. How much can you argue? So you just, I would say, just draw. So I repeat what Socrates said, इस दुनिया में मुझे कोई नहीं हरा सकता है क्योंकि मैं जीतना नहीं चाहता. It's not that I go on and on and on until I win the argument or discussion. After a certain point, just let it go. And then this was said by Murari Bapu at one of his kathas, because he said this. First, pehle purusharth. First, put in your effort. Phir pukar. Then pray. After you put in all your best, after you've done all you could, pehle purusharth, effort, phir pukar, pray, or phir pratiksha, wait. So what else can we do in this world really except put in our efforts, pray, put in our best, and as I say, leave the rest. So pehle purusharth, phir pratiksha, phir pehle purusharth, phir pukar, and phir pratiksha. Another thing he said is yagna vidhi se hota hai aur daan vivek se hota hai. That I thought was also very beautiful because it yagna, that means that a certain ritual, a certain prayer, a certain ritual, but it has to be done with some system, with some rules. Lekin daan, that is when you give someone, help someone, and you maybe give something in charity to help someone, wo vivek se hota hai. Use your intellect. Because very often you have to realize whether your helping is going to, haven't you heard, I think it was said that rather than give fish to the people, why not teach them to fish? And in other words, what it means is that teach them something which will make them independent and live by themselves. And another thing that, another point, Murari Bapu also said a very nice poem, which I don't remember the poet because he told us the poet who had written that poem, but I don't remember the poet's name. But this is what he said. मुझे उदास कर गए हो, मुझे उदास कर गए हो, खुश रहो. You have made me unhappy. Be happy. It's okay. Let it go. मेरे मिजाज पर जा रहे हो. You accuse me of my nature, my character, the way I behave. खुश रहो. मेरे मिजाज पर जा रहे हो, खुश रहो. मेरे लिए न रुक सके तो क्या हुआ, जहां भी कहीं ठहर गए हो, खुश रहो. If you could not wait for me, so what? Wherever you have gone, it's just be happy. खुश रहो. खुशी हुई है आज तुमको देखकर, बहुत निखर संवर गए हो, खुश रहो. Sometimes you lose friendships, you break relationships, and you see them happy. So be happy for them. So खुशी हुई है आज तुमको देखकर, बहुत निखर संवर गए हो, खुश रहो. उदास हो किसी की बेवफाई पर, वफा कहीं तो कर गए हो, खुश रहो. If you are unhappy that maybe someone has hurt you, but you have found someone who maybe you can be faithful to, and that can be faithful, to खुश रहो. And then the poem goes on like that. The whole idea is that let things be, forgive, wish well. So I thought these were very inspiring sayings. I hope you enjoy them. But until next time, you take care and God bless.